Hi guys, let's make this simple professional motion graphic.
Some people aren't sure whether they have enough and they need a clear, structured plan. Secondly, they've built substantial wealth, but they want to optimize for growth, tax saving, and legacy.
Hi guys, so let's start. First, I'll add the background color.
After that, I'll get the paper effect.
All the graphic that we will use, just find it in the description down below or just comment and I'll reply with the.
I'll scale it down, change the blending mode, and because it's moving
A lot, faster, so I'll make time remapping and I'll make a keyframe here, so we will make it very slow.
like this,
We'll get a person image from the back. So we'll get a bland graphic from the side. I think this is okay.
right click on group,
So we'll make a group from this group.
we'll get this check out of this group, and we will leave this text on this. Then we will add it to After Effects. We need to make like place under this graphic, like circle or something like that, to be like 3D, because we will mask it also. Change the color to be something. Let's get into this composition to start making some animations. First, we will animate this, duplicate this shake effect, get it like this, and we just make it one by one using the animation composer, bounce, scale, effect.
With a little bit further, so because we will have like animation at the start getting from the mask,
And after that, we just have these.
we make like wiggle effect.
Start making it more slower. We will link these three check icons to the main graphics so it move. So we can have like also the wiggle effect on each of these check marks. So because we will make the same,
Shake effect, maybe it will have the different animation, maybe having it to rotation. Let's see.
and the way to make it, if you don't know, just get the rotation, Alt and click on this watch and make this expression wiggle. After that, we will make the mask effect. So we will duplicate this layer and have this mask with this and get the position, and you will fix the problem just getting it from the bottom like this. After that, duplicating it, and we will need this to make a mask. First, deleting this and having this part masked. Change the mask path to match the animation. So here we will make it like this. We'll start from here. Then making it like this. So this A will be like, and we will make the same exact thing for the second one here. We will have like any icon or graphic for wealth, which is money. Start, we can delete the background. We can have this into group, so Control G, so it will be like this. And we will have this icon also. and this we already have it on the After Effects. So we have these three layers. To get it out of this group, just click here, release the layers, give these ones out of the group, so it will be different layers to After Effects. Yeah. So after that, save it as Adobe Illustrator. This one, drag it to After Effects. We will make the same exact thing. Duplicating this layer and track matte one of them and changing the position. It's important to make sure they are aligned, so you don't have to use this align tool because it will not work with this. So you just have to make shape like this, and you will, as I was expecting, we need to get this down, maybe just the graphic. We make it just position with opacity like this. Very simple animation. And for sure we will make this circle pop up like this bounce effect. So this is a mask. We'll make it for the mask and the shape. Having like opacity for these two layers. The graphic. After that, having this A, we need to make it like wiggle also. Position and adding the same wiggle effect that we've added to this one here. You will need to add it to all these layers also. Because we need this effect after that. Maybe animating these dollars to come from like this. Make it slower. We will make the wiggle effect also here, and we will make the wiggle effect to this person. Maybe adding some texture. We can change the background color like we want. Feel free to make the changes you want. We need to make adjustment layer and adding the posterize time. And this effect is, will take like so much time to rendering, but it will make a great effect. This is this cutting effect, so you can decrease the frame rate and it will make the effect more obvious. Like we can make some, graphic, like line from person to the graphic. This is, the things that can improve the graphic. It's not crucial to make it. And go to the stroke shape. You can also, make the same wiggle effect. And also duplicating this shape and right click like this. And we can make this one disappear after the second one. This is our tutorial, guys. This is one of my, real projects with one of my clients. So he liked this style of graphics. It's simple, it's professional. So if you have any comments, questions, if you have any videos you want me to edit, leave a comment down below. Reach out to me via links in the description, and see you in the next video.